What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Stocks and Play Daily. Today is December 20th, Tuesday, and we'll start this video off again by checking in with something that worked from our previous watch list. Dragonfly Energy, we have a continuation up above its IPO levels, opening at about 2060 area and just blasting up past yesterday's candle. Real nice to see this one. I don't even think I'm gonna get involved with this. I don't know where it could go next, but past the IPO level, man, the sky could be the limit. Okay, stocks that popped up on our volume scanner today. First up, we got Core Marine. This is a 3-year chart breakout and a 1-year chart, obviously, breakout as well. Here you can see the 3 years breakout, where this is starting to work with new levels around this range. Maybe it's 2.5-year breakout. Oh well. Relative volume of this stock was 4 times its original or regular amount. There's no news that I could find. Strong business and earnings from 11.2 that were solid, I guess. But this looks just to be some kind of a consolidation range here, about from 5 to 9, and it's working its way up out of that. Current stock price 971. Targets for this, it would need to hold 950 for me to be happy with this trade continuing. 932 is okay, kind of like here. That's okay if it holds there. That would be fine as a pullback. 985 and 990. 985, so we can break above this consolidation range here in some of these candles. Right here. 990, high of the day for Tuesday. Okay, that one has an ATR of 49 cents. Next up on the list, SMCI. Super Micro Super Mario Computers. 83.31 a share. Currently, this is an all-time high consolidation. In this area, you can see that. This stock is being added into the S&P 400 mid-cap index announced today, I believe it was. And it's testing the 50-day moving average on the year chart. You can see that just here. Popped up off of there aggressively, pulled in for the day after that. That's fine. This move is a super solid gap up though, right about here. That's a nice pop up off the 50-day. I'd say the stock needs to hold 81.37 for this trade to be working, which is about right here. That pre-market level, give or take, and the levels from this day, 3 days ago, last Friday. We need to grab to confirm this trade working 85.84, 85.85 high of this day here, and then continuation has capabilities of 86.50. That'll put us just about here. These consolidation levels. Excuse me. I'll learn where the mute button is for next time. I don't know where that's at yet. Alright, 86.50 would be a confirmation of this trade. In my eyes, it's a dollar. Actually, not quite a dollar. This is 85.85, not 86.50. Target levels for me, I'm looking at about 89. If we can make it into the 88.60 up to 89, I'm looking for 89.70 range. 89.70 range, about there, which is from this week. Its highs 89.97, actually 90. We'll call it 90. SMCI Super Micro. Okay, EverQuote is up next. I got mute buttons actually on my mic. How about that? EverQuote is currently 13.07 a share. Relative volume is 4 times its normal trading amount. Average trading range for this stock is 88 cents. Typical day. This stock I'd say needs to hold 12.50 for this to be a in play move still. 12.50 is a clean pullback level. Would be great to see that hold. 13.56 is next up. We're looking just to obviously break out from the day highs of today, Tuesday here, and then we need to get up here to 13.63 next, which would be a small gap fill here. Next target could be 14, possibly 14.31, which is pretty much these little bars right there, highs of the days. All right. Next up, IAG. 3.6 times its normal trading volume. 14 cents is a typical trading range for it. The stock needs to hold 215 or 233-ish, in my opinion, to be in play. It could be a pullback down here, that's fine. We do want to see this thing hold 230. $225 for sure needs to hold. 230 would be the first level to claim for confirmation, actually. Targeting high of the day, 233. $240 is a good target level. If we can start working towards that right there, and we're looking to fill the gap up here at 250, 269 range. 250s here-ish, and 269 is up here, the actual gap right there. Okay, we got CTLP Cantaloupe. This is $4.05 a share. This is a potential consolidation breakout right here, and it's coming off of stronger earnings. People have liked it, it looks like. Been going up since, at least. Maybe it's not strong as far as numbers, but the stock has been responding well. This stock needs to hold 393, maybe 399 even, to be confirming the trade still active. This is 393 here. It's these pre-market low testing range kinda. Actually just up on the open, not pre-market, excuse me. 431 and 439 are our first targets. In my opinion, breaking past 420 obviously of yesterday's high and this day's high, putting us to start to work on these levels here. 430, 431, 2 and 3 weeks ago's high levels. Past that, I believe we have room to check 450, which is just about halfway up through this bar. 440 for sure. And I think we're looking at about 473 just here. 473. My numbers are a little off right here. Okay, I'm looking at it on the day chart. That's why my numbers are not off. I was just trying to look on a weekly chart. Yeah, the day chart was working on those numbers, so I went with 473. Let's look over here, about there-ish, and we got 490, just about there, where I expect the 200 day to kind of end up wandering towards here, if that trade's super bullish at least. Alright, well, that's going to do it for today, our stocks in play watch list. I'm also holding Acer currently. We're waiting for some volume to finally step back in. Consolidating here, I'm waiting to see if this might test again this 365 level, so we can go for the test of 377 and potentially continue. Past that, we got some other levels working towards the IPO areas, and then we have the 200 day moving average coming in as well. I would probably cover my position about 370, 375 if I get it. And I'll be watching, of course, Dragonfly. That one was crazy. Amazon, Tesla will not stop selling off. FedEx and Nike had some fun earnings today as well. I'll keep my eyes on those for second day earnings trades. Could be very powerful trend days after the earnings. Alright, everybody. You guys have a good night. God bless you. And we will see you on the next watch list for Stocks in Play Daily. This is Daniel.